Hi! So here's how you turn these old candle pots into brand new candle pots. There's two methods, maybe three actually. I'll explain one as well that you could also do. So the first one is going to be just taking a bowl that you know is heat proof, putting your candle inside, and then just around the outside with your hot water, just making sure you get to the height of your candle and leave that for about 2 minutes. Don't leave it until it gets cold again, otherwise it'll just set again. So make sure you don't leave it for too long. Keep an eye on it. This one would be actually where you pour the water inside the pot. There's not a great deal of wax in this one, and also it won't really work for a video, because what happens is you actually do with this one need to leave it to cool, and what will happen is all the the contents of the jar will all come together and they will meet at the top, and then you'll have cold water underneath, and then you'll have a layer of wax on the top. So that'll take 10-15 minutes to do. So that doesn't really suit when we do a workshop here, but at home it would totally work. So if I come back to this one and see how it's getting on, so already I can see it's starting to come away from the edges. It's always good if you can get that metal wick out. And obviously the third method, if you did need it to clean them anymore, would be to pop it in the microwave. You can literally just put the jar in the microwave and that takes off any excess, but you need to remove that before you pop it in the microwave. And then all I do, oh yeah, it's really started to move. It was a bit broken already, so it's made my life a bit easier. Yours might take a little bit more time. And then here we go. Maybe take it out of the boiling hot water. Let me just do this safely. Here we go. Too excited. All right, and then out it comes. This wax is totally able to be used again, well, if I can get it out, so feel free to keep it. But the only thing is, obviously, you're stuck with the scent and the colour that it is. Oh, it's so close. Here we go. There you go. All right, so I've got a whole load of wax there that I can use again. A little bit more cleaning to do. And like I said, if I struggle, I'll just pop it in the microwave for a minute and get out any excess. Don't put anything down the sink. All wax needs to go either in the bin or be kept, and don't clog your sink up with it. All right, enjoy that. Bye.